Hey Maya, I've been hearing about SQL a lot lately. What exactly is it?
Great question. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It's basically the language used to interact with relational databases. You use it to retrieve, update, or even delete data.
So, any database will work with it?
Most of them, yes. Popular systems like Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, PostgreSQL, MariaDB, and Oracle all use SQL. Though they each have their own little variations or dialects.
Wait, dialects? Like regional accents but for databases?
Haha, kind of. The base SQL was standardized in the 80s by ANSI and ISO, but since then, database vendors have added their own features. So we get dialects like Transact SQL, T-SQL, for SQL Server, pgSQL for PostgreSQL, and PL/SQL for Oracle.
Oh, interesting. So what kind of stuff can you actually do with SQL?
Tons. SQL is grouped into three main types of statements. DDL, Data Definition Language, for creating or changing database structure. Think create, alter, drop. DCL, Data Control Language, for managing access, like grant or revoke. DML, Data Manipulation Language, for working with the actual data, select, insert, update, and delete.
So if I want to make a new table, I'd use DDL?
Exactly. Here's a super simple example.
Makes sense. What about letting someone else use that table?
That's where DCL comes in. For example, this statement gives a user named user1 permission to read and update the table.
And I guess DML is the fun part, working with the data?
Bingo. If you want to find all customers from Seattle, you do. Select from customer, where city is Seattle. And if you only wanted specific columns, you choose them on the select clause.
What if I want to sort them?
Add an order by clause like above. This will sort the data by last name.
Can you pull data from multiple tables too?
Yes. That's where join comes in. You match related data across tables. Like if you wanted to pull order info and the customer address together.
That's powerful. What if I need to change something?
You'd use update. For instance, you can update the address when you specify for which customer you need to change it. But always be careful, never run update or delete without a where clause unless you really mean it, or you might wipe everything.
Good to know. And how do you add new data?
Use insert. Like if you want to add new product in the product table, you do an insert with specific information.
Got it. That was a super clear overview. Thanks, Maya.
Anytime. SQL is a really handy tool once you get comfortable with it.